this is kind of like a part two or continuation of the original climate change video that I did. This is kind of like the other part of the story of climate change. And if you haven't seen that climate change video, that is laid out where anybody, even a first grader, can understand that one. But where the climate change argument really goes, even though it's part of nature and it's just the way things happen over long periods of time. We ice over, we warm up, we ice over, warm up. One of the major problems today is we develop more CO2 than the earth can absorb. And one way that we're doing that is our need for more wood products. Forests are being stripped, rainforests is being stripped. Those, trees are needed to help absorb CO2. The more CO2 you have, the warmer it gets, the more ice melts. Now, these jackasses talking about the ice is melting faster at a faster rate now. Well, of course it is. If you take an ice cube and you throw it out on the concrete in the summertime, it's going to sit there for a little bit before it really starts pouring water off. But when it starts to melt, the speed increases of it melting. And to go back even further, and the claim is Antarctica wasn't discovered until the late 1800s. Well, that's funny because over time, modern maps have been drawn referring to older source maps up until around between 1500 and 1800. I don't know where that disappeared or who decided that we were going to act like Antarctica wasn't there, but ancient maps have Antarctica on their maps. There's some ancient maps that actually have the coastline of Antarctica on their maps, long before 1800. And these maps go back 1,000 years or more. A lot of them go back even further than that. So this ain't the first time Antarctica thawed out. So quit panicking. Nothing you can do. It's coming. So it's a political game, like I said. Everybody's being played. It's all about money and power and control. That's all it is. Nothing you can do. Population's growing too much. It ain't going to reverse. Y'all take care.